Boy, you make me high. I want you to fly. Get that ASAP. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, is that Forum?
Yes.
Forum, hi, I'm Mithilesh. I'm calling from magazine.
How are you?
I am absolutely fine. Okay, what I am come to know that you have been to Rishikesh and hill station, right?
You're not very clear. Can you be clear, please? Yes.
You will be facing a lot of problem because of logging water there.
Yes, true. I just went there. There was a landslide, so we had a lot of problem there.
We are writing one article on magazine. So one buddy friend called me that Forum vending there. So can
Yes.
you give me some time for interview for this article?
Yeah, no problem.
And Forum, be very frank with me. If you are not comfortable in English, please frankly tell me. I can take this in Hindi
No,
also.
no. It's fine. I'm completely comfortable in English. That's okay.
I don't think so. Because you know, na, there is people certain who are not that fluent in English and but impressing another man jhep ke mare. Could you please tell us how how's your trip?
It was supposed to be nice, but because of the weather problem and the rain, the waterlogging, there was landslide and we couldn't go anywhere. We were supposed to trek.
Forum,
But,
listen
yeah.
to me. If you don't want to speak in English, you can tell me very frankly. Because I
I
can
am
take this
speaking
interview
in
Hindi
English.
also. Because Hindi is our language. So why are you shying?
No, I am fine. I'm fine. I'm speaking in English properly. I
All right.
don't
All
think
right.
there's a problem. It's fine.
Lots of problems you are facing over there, right?
Yes.
So what are the major problems you are facing?
Didn't you understand? I just told you, landslide, there was a lot of rain because of which there was waterlogging. We couldn't trek up the mountain.
See, your pronunciation is not correct. You are saying waterlogging is there. I am telling you so many times, if you have any problem in English, I can take this interview in Hindi also. Why are you shying?
Ari, I am fine speaking in English. What is wrong with you?
Okay, so my next question is, do you think that administration scenario has been changing to some weather condition over there?
Oh, I didn't see any kind of work happening. We were there for 2 days and I was waiting for the way to clear out, but
See, what I am asking and what are you giving the answer? If you are not comfortable in English, I can take this whole bloody interview in
what's wrong with you?
Hindi.
Why do you keep saying that? What do you mean I'm not comfortable in English?
If you are Indian, you are Bharat Mata, you are following Bharat Mata, and we are belonging to India, I can take this interview in Hindi. I don't know why are you shying.
Please stop annoying me. Please stop. I don't want to do this interview. Please.
I am just helping you. Okay, you venting there in the Rishikesh on the hill station on the Mount Everest Choti. So, have you ever been taken this scenario changes before venting there in Delhi?
What?
So,
Can you please be clear in what you're
that's why I am saying. You say, what? Now you are completely forgetting everything. And I am telling this time so many times that Forum, if you want, I can take this interview in Hindi. But you are shying, still keeping shying.
No, listen.
Don't and improve your English first. I am to Forum. I venting there in English. The Britishers come here and you are sharp in the
wrong
mind
with you,
that
man?
everyone is the.
Is this how you talk to everyone? What is wrong with you? Please, I need to cut the call. I'm sorry.
Forum, I am calling from Radio Mirchi and this is a prank call connecting to you, and somebody has given me your number that Forum went there and I have to make her murga. So
Is this how you talk every day?
yeah.
हिंदी में दिल्ली को बता दीजिए कि आपको वहाँ क्या क्या परेशानी हुई थी.
मैं ये अपील करना चाहूंगी कि सारे टूरिस्ट के लिए जो टूरिज्म डिपार्टमेंट है सारे हिल स्टेशंस में दे टेक केयर ऑफ सारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव वर्क और सारे रास्ते क्लियर हो जाए जब वेदर चेंजेस हो एंड दे शुड टेक केयर ऑफ द टूरिस्ट.
See, your Hindi is good enough, but you are still pretending that I am Angrez, I am Firang, I want to speak in English.